Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download AliExpress on your Android device. It's really simple, so without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, go ahead and open Google Play Store. Once you are in the Play Store, tap on search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on search bar and search AliExpress. Once you search the AliExpress, you'll see the original app. Click on install. It will take time for installing your app depending on your internet connection. Now that the app is installed, you can click on open from here or also go back and open from your home screen. And that's it. This is how simple it is to download AliExpress on your Android device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.